I think that those folks who become the best leaders are the ones who have adopted a mindset of having unbelievable, exceptional skills around their domain, whether it be understanding the configurations, the pricing, the strategy, the product capabilities, the features and functions, really being a domain expert at whatever it is that you're the person driving. And so I think the first is being the best. And by the way, nothing beats hard work. I mean, outworking and being a really focused individual around driving your business is really the success. The second is, the transition from being an individual contributor to someone who's looking more strategically, looking at the business and what's best for the business, looking at what's best for the customer, and then really what's best for the team, and putting themselves as an individual last in that totem pole, I think is key. And the third is not what you want to be or what you want to do, it's who you want to become. And so it's really that combination of work-life balance of being a great individual, friend, family, and a contributor to your society and your neighborhood and your personal life. And that coupled with your success around your career, coupled with your kindness and your gentle heart, I think if you take those three things and kind of build a recipe for yourself, I think that would make a great leader.